Hey, look what I got in the post office. I just got back.
Oh,
Did you know I went?
no, I didn't realize. What is
Is
this?
this from you? This is a gift we didn't expect. It's for Rick and Kathy.
All right, how nice. Thank you.
How about this one? Rick and Kathy.
Great. I can't wait.
Want to guess? What do you think it is? What are you making? You cooking already?
Oh, I was just getting ready for our
Shining
next.
up your La Crusade pan?
Yep.
Let's see. Where's this going? Which one
I
should I
can't
open
wait
first?
to see.
It's pretty heavy.
Let's see what's inside.
It's exciting. You want to see before me? Tell me what it is.
Well, it's packed pretty good. Oh, wow.
Bunderberg, Australian family owned.
Ooh.
Oh, look,
Oh, there's a note
a gift
inside.
for you. Hey, Rick and Kathy, my family and I enjoy your YouTube channel, and we hope to see what we sent you in the future video. Ah, from Jeff Jones and family. Ah, thank you, Jeff Jones and family.
Jones and family.
What is it?
Thank you.
Ginger beer. We were talking about this like a month
Yes,
ago.
I know. We have seen some really neat recipes to make
Ooh.
with ginger beer,
Look
or
at your lid.
you can drink it just like this if you like that gingery.
Look at the cap, how it pulls
Oh,
off.
I like it. This is really
Is
special.
it kind of like root beer or birch beer?
It's like kind of ginger ale, but it's got that flavor of ginger, which I love ginger.
Yeah, she does. She buys roots.
I chew on the roots, I put it in my drinks, and this is going to be fun. Yes, it is.
All right.
Thank
Well, I
you.
have a frosted mug since they're not cold.
Oh, you're going to dig right in?
Yeah. Well, let's see what's in here. Maybe what we have here. Some kind of Australian beef. What do you think of that?
Beef? I don't know about
This is
that.
Australian. Australian
No, this is a nice treat. Thank you for sending us this.
family owned. There's a kangaroo there too.
Yeah, Australia. That's pretty cool. That's a special drink right there.
Sharpen my knife. Not a knife.
Speaking with a Aussie accent
Yeah,
here.
that's not a knife. Whoa, it's a box. This looks like a toy. Oh my gosh.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, slot racing.
Oh my goodness. There's
Super racing game. Controllable speed. Look, Mustang and Camaro there. What?
wow.
164 scale.
Okay.
Speed controllers. Track.
Oh my word.
Oh, look how you can set it up.
What a nice present. There's a note for the
Hi, Rick
package.
and Kathy. My family and I enjoy your YouTube channel, and we hope to see what you sent in a future video. Well, here's the video. You get your own special video.
Yeah. We have a couple of YouTube channels,
Jeff
in case
Jones
you
and
haven't found
family.
them all yet. This is really a nice gift. I can't believe
Jeff.
you sent this. This is nice.
Jeff and family. I'm gonna have to play with it right away.
Look at all the things. You can make different track layouts and controllers.
High speed, high speed.
Oh, the track looks great. How big is the track?
Oh, that's pretty big. Maybe good thing you cleaned off the table. Maybe we'll just set it up on the table right now.
Wow, I bet it is. Good size. Well, there's two different layouts, so maybe.
Or maybe you can make it how you like. I don't know. Let's look.
Oh, thank you so much for
I
the.
used to have tracks when I was a little kid. Look at straight pieces, curves.
A little kid. Oh, neat. Look in the box. All kinds of
Battery. Oh, there's the
corners and crossroads
lap
here.
counter.
Oh. Here's where the controls enter into
Yeah.
it.
Oh, it has a loop too. Loop-de-loop.
Oh, Oh no, there's directions. You can't throw these out.
Oh, these are simple though.
No, no, you just keep those directions.
They're lettered and numbered.
Good, good. Wonderful. What a nice gift. Thank you for this.
Wow.
That's so nice of you and your family.
Yeah, Jeff. Cars must be in here.
Oh, this looks like fun. F-U-N. Fun with the ginger ale. Oh, let me see, I have to pick mine. Which one works really smooth?
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Looks like two Corvettes.
A blue and a red.
Corvette and something else. Maserati or something. Look. Oh, Camaro.
Oh, my
Camaro and a
word.
Mustang.
Oh,
Oh. The controller. And guardrails. Oh, okay.
oh wow.
All right,
Wow.
guardrails. Supports probably here. Oh.
Slow down, Ricky.
All right, let me chill my ginger beer. And let's look at the directions a little bit. Let's set this track up and try it out.
Yes, we're gonna actually read these directions.
Yeah.
See which kind of track layout fits on the table the best.
Oh, there's a loop there. Look, loop.
Yeah, we'll have to see what the size
All right,
is.
we'll check back with you. Hang on.
Oh.
Figure it out.
Yeah, we laid out the main track, not the part that goes loopy-loop. And we're gonna put this together first so that the flat part is done and as big as it's gonna be.
You just go together like this, you know.
See how easy they go together though. Look,
Yeah,
nice.
like that. And the car's right in the slots, electric slot cars. All right, I'm getting there.
Yeah, and the track is getting to be life-size here.
Ooh.
Look how nice they go together.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Oh, you're better than me.
I
Oh,
just
you're
like
good.
to-
All right.
Lay the whole thing out first and we'll be okay. You're making the loop-de-loop there?
Yeah. Trying to figure it out. I think my grandson could help me with this better. When he comes
I'm
over.
sure he could.
We got the track set up without the loops, but now we're going to put in the loops like it shows on the box. There's supposed to be a loop on each side, but right now we could run it
Right,
without the loops.
but with the loops it'll lift it off the ground.
Yeah. Just wiggle into here like that. Make sure you have a good connection. See? It's going to come all the way around and connect on this side of the track. Yeah, right here. Then we're going to find bridges.
Right, we still have a lot of
These up, see?
pieces to work with. At least we have the main frame down now.
Yeah. Can't wait to drive them cars around. Well, we're still working on it. Look, we got the loops in there.
We got the loop-de-loops, we got the bridges.
And for me, being an older guy, I can't figure it out all the way, but we might take the loops out because it looks like we need supports here, which we have. See, we have supports. We don't want the car to hit going down here through the loop. But if we raise it up higher, we'll try that. But you could make this track however you like. You could just make an oval or a square. Make it look like Daytona or something.
Yeah, we wanted to try to set it up like the directions say.
Let me raise this one a little higher.
And we're just adjusting things to make the cars work.
See, there's like supports that raise the track up. That might be good. But then still, yeah, that might be good here. Whoa, can you imagine going around that loop?
I can't wait to see this go flying around.
Alright, let's plug it in and try it. And I want to change the layout maybe.
Yeah, we might adjust a few
Then we
things.
have guardrails too we're going to put on. But first we're going to take a test drive, see if they fire up. I'm going to need these guardrails, but I want to try it.
I was making this side go out.
Contact! There's the power port. Power. Ooh.
got power.
You plug your controllers into here. Easy. Whoa, look at it.
Oh.
Test drive. First test drive.
Oh. Oh. Wow, you did it! You
All right.
loop-de-loop.
Okay, now I see this side has to go that way. All right.
Yeah, we can, oh, I see. Yeah, we'll get this right. We'll just, happy that it went through the first loop.
Try the other controller. And it was going slow. I thought it would have to go fast to go over that loop. Maybe we should go the other direction. Is that the way it went?
Oh, it's kind of got a nice sound.
Oh, all right. See?
Yeah, we got the, we just have to adjust a few things.
Yeah.
here.
So one lane goes that way, and the other lane goes this way over here. Okay.
Yeah.
Or you could run it without the loops too.
Yeah.
If you want to set it up quick and take it down quick, just make a nice oval. That would be real fun. I would like a nice oval. So this, there to there. I can do that real quick. And there to there.
I'll be putting the guardrails on
All right.
while you're doing that.
We can make a lot of different shapes, which I might do soon. So you like it?
I like it.
I like it. I took the loop out, and I'm going to run it like that for fun first race. And what's great about it is, like I said, you can change it however you like. But watch this. Let's have a race. What car do you want?
We're still putting some of the corners on
Yeah, guardrails and
for
stuff.
protection.
All right, ready to try it? Well, we should have a drink of our ginger beer
Oh
while
yeah,
we're racing.
ginger beer.
Oh, I put it in the freezer while we were assembling that.
Oh, great. And we're going to save one to make a special drink
Well,
with.
we got a 4-pack of them. Look at the cap. See how it opens?
Oh yeah, I like that. That's pretty fancy. It's got a, you want to just share one?
Well, I have frosted mugs
Okay.
as well.
Oh.
Cadillac. Show me that bottle cap.
Oh man, this is really special. It's got a ring on and a twist.
Do you just pop it off like a can opener? Pop?
It says,
Pull out, then up, I believe it says.
okay.
Got my Cadillac glass and my time to eat. Frosted mug.
Make sure you're in the picture here because this is a really, I never had a bottle cap
See,
like
open
this.
it. Pull out, then up.
Pull out and up
Yeah,
it says.
like, up. Whoa! You did
I love it. That was really cool. I never had a bottle cap like
it.
that.
No, I never saw that. I'll have a drink. We can enjoy this while we're racing for the rest of the afternoon.
Yeah. And I want to use one of these to mix some of the contents they told us on the recipes.
Pour some in there.
Yep.
Both try it.
Yeah, this is great.
Never had it before.
Smells good. I like that.
Smells like ginger ale. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks, Jeff and family.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's good. Like a good ginger ale.
Yeah, it is.
You
That's
can make a lot of drinks like the Moscow Mule kind of thing with the copper mug.
right. We have copper mugs and we can make some of those fancy drinks. But thanks for the taste of this. This is great.
Let's race.
Okay, let's race.
What a fun combination to play with.
Yeah. We tried several different layouts and with the guardrails on the corners, and there's options to play with this, but for now, to show you how nice it works, we wanted to try the good racing.
Which controller do you want?
Oh, let's see. I'll take this one.
And what car do you want?
About 4 of them?
4, yeah.
Okay, I'll try this.
I guess we could run 2 at once on each controller, but it'd be a lot of keeping track.
Yeah. This is fun. This
So
is
you want
good.
that blue one?
Yeah.
All right, put it on. See if that's the side it goes on. All right,
Look.
that's the side. Look, we'll set our counters. There's counters here. Set them to 0.
Okay.
Lap counter 0, 0. And hang on. Wait. You got the blue one. I'll take the yellow Mustang.
Oh, that's a real treat.
All right, let's get the feel of the track and see what we can do.
I'm gonna go.
You're blue, I'm yellow. I'm yellow. Go ahead. Go.
Oh, oh, I like my car.
Oh, I crashed. Oh, I was trying to beat you.
Oh, we could do this for hours.
Yeah. I'm yellow. I'm yellow.
You passed me.
Oh, I got my wire on the track. It's not even floored. I didn't even floor it yet.
I didn't either. I'm glad there's little guardrails on there.
I gotta catch up to you. Remember, we have the loop-to-loop too.
Yeah. Well, when we put the loop-to-loop on, it'll go.
I passed you because you stopped the call.
I can't talk and drive at the same time. Oh, this is fun.
Yeah. Sure. Look at the Mustang. Look at the yellow
I'm
Mustang.
passing you.
Oh, look at the yellow.
I'm going.
Oh, I go so fast. Wait, oh. Still not floored.
Me either. I'm
Oh, I
afraid it's
floored it and
gonna
I
go slow.
crashed. All right.
This is going to be hours of
I
fun.
think I would like to make as long as I can with like just an oval and go real fast until I hit the curves.
Right.
So we had other HO cars. Look, Kathy has a Charger there.
Yeah,
purple
this is
Charger.
one of my favorites. It's real lightweight compared to the one that came with this track.
And let me see. We're going to just see if it would work with our standard HO. Yeah, it goes. Yeah,
Yeah, it works.
that's the regular HO car.
Yeah, that's good because then if people have other cars, they could use the same track.
Yeah, but we got 4 cars that came with this set. It's nice.
I like the way we're doing 2 levels though.
I think you crashed up the road there.
No.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I just took a break so I could pop.
He's in control.
Yeah, this is a good car, the blue one. I think I have to write my name on it.
The wire, so you can get the wire on the track.
Oh, so Jeff and all your family,
Yeah,
thank you for this because we're gonna have hours of fun with this.
And we know the grandkids come and
Yeah, when the kids come, oh, look out.
design different ways to do it. It's a lot of fun. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching and liking our channels. We'll see you on Friday if we don't see you sooner. Okay?
Yeah, thanks so much.
It's almost springtime. Can't wait. Plus it's time to eat, isn't it? It's
It's always time to eat with this one.
Thanks again, Jeff. We love it.
Thank
It's
you.
so nice of you. You didn't have to do that, but we really appreciate it.
And your whole family, we
Yeah.
appreciate that you watch us and send us a nice fun toy like this.
See you later. Bye.
I never saw a bottle cap like that.
Oh, it smells lovely.
It's pretty cool.
So I figured out the loop here. See, it's pretty easy. I just took a picture, but we set it up a different way. It's a lot of fun. Thanks again. See you later. Bye.